In today's Wix tutorial, I will show you step by step how to add Google Maps to your Wix website. So with all of that being said, let's get right into it. Now just one quick note, if this video does help you out, please let me know by leaving a comment. Just say it works or it worked for me, so that I know this tutorial is still up to date. And now let's get started. First off, you need to go over to the Wix editor, and once you're here, simply go over to the Add button, and then go over to Contact and Forms. Then you want to go over to Google Maps and click on either Maps or Fill with Maps. Now scroll down over to the part on your page where you'd like to add the Google Maps, and you can then simply choose whichever one you like on your site and drag it onto your website. Now I like this one because it fits the color theme of my website, so I'm going to select shades of green and drop that onto my website. And right now we have added Google Maps to our Wix website. However, we still need to manage the icon, or the location I mean. So click on Manage Location and click on either one or multiple. I'm gonna click on one and then change the address right here. Now for example, I will choose Amsterdam. Now you have Amsterdam selected and the title is gonna be, for example, Lucassen Tutorials Office. Press enter and now you have successfully added your shop location as well. If you'd like to add a description, that is also possible. Leave a like. Also feel free to leave a like on this video as well. And you can also add a link and a link text, for example to the webpage of that specific location. Now once you've done all of that, you can simply click away the Manage Locations option, and if you'd like to make the Google Maps a bit bigger. I'm gonna place it in the center once again, and now click on Save. Once you have saved your website, please go over to Preview to make sure the Google Maps is actually looking as you'd like it to be. And you can see that this is looking pretty good. You can also zoom out, so Control Zoom or scroll. And right here you have successfully added Google Maps to your Wix website. If this video helped you out, please let me know by leaving a like and comment something like it worked for me. If you'd like to see more of these straightforward Wix tutorials, also make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you'd like to learn how to add this professional slider to your Wix website with customizable text, buttons and the background, make sure to watch this video and I will see you there.